Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine for glowy skin, starting with the nighttime skincare, which is super important because nighttime is when your skin repairs itself. So I'm just starting by taking off my lashes, and I'm going to remove my makeup. To remove my makeup, I use the Garnier Skinactive Micellar Cleansing Water, the blue one. And I just put that on a little pad and wipe all my makeup off. Okay, so now to wash my face, I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Exfoliating Cleanser, and I wash my face for a minimum of 60 seconds. Skincare experts say that this is the best way to make sure that you are cleansing your face completely. And then I just rinse my face off with lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold, because either of those extremes could damage your skin. And then I just pat my skin dry. You don't have to do that, but I do. And then I use the Dickinson's Witch Hazel as my toner, just to make sure that my face is really cleaned off, especially after I've worn makeup. I want to make sure that it's completely free of any makeup. After this, I'm going to spray my face with water, because when you apply hyaluronic acid, your face needs to be wet for it to truly be hydrated. And I use the Hydrating Serum from Derma-E. I think this is the most expensive thing in this routine, and it comes in around $23. And then I usually let that sit for a few seconds, up to a minute, just so I don't feel like I'm overloading my face with products. Then I use a vitamin C serum. I don't remember the brand for this one, but all the products will be listed down below. Next is the Pond Dry Skin Cream. I like super thick creams for nighttime because they have time to set in and they just make your face feel so moisturized. And that's it for my nighttime routine. So moving on to my morning skincare. I use the e.l.f. Daily Face Cleanser. This is a super light cleanser. This is perfect for just washing away any sweat from your sleep, or like me, I don't usually wash my face till after the gym, so I get to wash that away. And again, lukewarm water to rinse it off. And then I dried my face, so I gotta spray it again. And then again, the Derma-E Hydrating Serum. There's only a few changes from my morning to my nighttime skincare routine. And again, the vitamin C serum. Then I use this Glow Hydrating Serum with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, I believe. And this gives my skin that extra glow. I don't use it every day, but if I'm going barefaced, I might use it because it makes my skin look poppin'. And then I use the Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer with SPF. This is not a black girl friendly SPF, so if I can find it, I will leave a list down below of SPF that doesn't have the white cast, but until I finish this one, this is what I will be using. And then that is it for my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye!